Woodgrain Distribution is a nationwide wholesale distributor, and we're really the sales arm of Woodgrain. We take a lot of the products that are manufactured to market through our distribution network.
We serve two customers: the big box retailer, who services the DIYer, and the independent lumber yard, who services the pro builder. We focus on really 5 main products. That's molding, interior doors, exterior doors, outdoor living, which includes our composite decking and rail, and our fasteners under the brand of Hooded Grip.
At its core, Woodgrain was founded as a manufacturing company, and over the years, through vertical integration, we've realized the benefit of having a distribution division that's focused on getting that product to the end customer.
We like to say we are tree to trim. That differentiates us because we operate the sawmills for the lumber we need to manufacture molding, doors, and windows. And there's a number of flexible logistics solutions that we're able to provide because we're vertically integrated.
So if we have a customer that needs a bundle, a unit, we can serve them out of our warehouse and distribution. If they need a full truck of product, they can buy that directly from one of our manufacturing facilities. If they need a container of molding, they can buy that from our South American facilities. It's really meeting them where they're at, giving them and supplying them with the product that they need.
We have to have quick solutions, quick answers, and deliver. End of story. That's the business we're in.
The goal when you're in distribution is you always want to add value.
Like pre-hanging interior and exterior doors, we pre-finish exterior doors as well.
One of the unique things that we do, we have a network of over 250 individuals that are going into retail and merchandising, ordering, and doing all the work for the customer.
We build and drive that culture here. Customers first, at all costs.
We're constantly trying to help our customers be more competitive, better lead times, better source of supply, better efficiencies.
It comes down to value for the customer and the ability to control our supply chain. It gives our customers a lot of confidence that we're going to be able to follow through on our commitments.
And we have the resources to figure out what needs to be done and execute. Because if anybody can do it, we can do it.
Woodgrain provides a great experience for customers really by listening.
It's essential when you're in distribution to truly understand the needs of the customers.
If we have a product or something that we're trying to sell or provide a service, that relationship can bring so much information back to you and good advice to get that business. And a lot of it starts with a relationship.
Having someone that you trust on the other end can make all the difference in the world.
We can leave with a handshake and they know that we're going to do what we say we're going to do.
We develop a deep understanding of our customers' business so that we can anticipate their challenges. We respond with urgency, with clarity and empathy, and ultimately we deliver on what we promise. I think that's what makes us easy to do business with.